Otoyo, Ndiek Maraj, Sibur Manganga. Now that is how in the Go language, you praise a man, you make a man feel like an animal. So in the Luo culture, when you are praising a man, you refer the man to animals, gregarious, great animals, the big 5 plus another 7. My name is Ojijo. This is a very short lesson about how to praise a man when you meet a man on the streets, a Luo man. When you see a Luo man has done something very Luo-like, something great and magnanimous, like Raila leaving the presidency for Kibaki. When you say Raila, you're meant to say things like, Otoyo. Otoyo is basically means hyena, correct? But in Luo is a wonderful, reference to someone. Otoyo, Ndiek Maraj. Ndiek Maraj means a bad leopard. Basically, a hyena and a leopard are the same animals, because of the spotting. They are all called Undiek. So Undiek Otoyo is hyena, then Undiek Kwach is a leopard. So call someone Kwach, then they'll stand very strong, and they call you Liech. Liech is elephant. So call someone Ojijo Liech, and then Ojijo feels like an elephant. Then he calls you back Sibur Manganga. Sibur basically is a lion. Sibur Manganga is a lion which is Nganga, of course, it's a lion which, is like it has the mane and is ready to pounce and tear and, is hungry, So that's Sibur Manganga, Undiek Otoyo, Liech, and then of course can say Omuga. Now Omuga is the rhino. When someone says Omuga, like, the first professor in East Africa, who was a professor of geology was, of course, Professor Umamuga. And it was used to be called Omuga, because of that amount of, strength. Actually, someone like Tom Mboya, who was the first to create that program that took Luos to America, took Africans to America, people like Wangari Maathai, Obama's father, he's the one who took them to America with a partnership with JF Kennedy. So when he used to move around Holland, he used to be called Otoyo, because he's done a great thing, Gimalich, a very great thing, huge thing that makes the hair on the skin to stand up, Gimalich, like being kissed by a very nice woman, Gimalich, So that's Otoyo, Undiek Maraj, Sibur Manganga. So today when you walk out there and you meet a Luo, and they say, "What's up, Kipiego?" Don't tell them I'm fine. Tell them Otoyo. Liech. Undiek Maraj. Joey. Now Joey is the buffalo. Joey. Actually Joey. And Luo is very experienced. Don't just talk like this in a Luo. You must take space. Talk with your chest and your arms and you're high up there, and your head, So Luo speaks responsibly and you take charge. You don't speak as if they are measuring words. You speak with a lot of laxity and leverage, and you use English at will. You don't just use the little grammar. So then Otoyo, Undiek, Joey, Omuga, Sibur Manganga, Wachane, Alinga, Kapida Pi. Remember the first lesson? Again, this man Ojijo here, I'm an author of 3 books on Luo culture, Luo medicine, and Luo history, and Luo language. I'm also an author of about 49 books in various areas. I'm actually a lawyer, by the way, believe it or not. And Okil Kamaloka. The lawyer is called Okil Kamaloka because we change things. Change one. Doctor is called Lactar because their teeth are white. When they're suffering, they're still smiling. We call them Lactar. Lawyer Okil Kamaloka. Again, as I catch you later on how to seduce a girl. That's our next lesson. Till then, Rima Bear. Spend time with her. Thank you.